loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Latoya, and for today's video I'll be creating this look using the Mauve palette by Juvia's Place. Alright, check it out, check it out. So in this video I kind of wanted to do something a little bit different than what I usually do. This one is going to be more of like a makeup and chill with me. So I'm pretty much just going to be doing my makeup. I'm not going to be doing a voiceover. I'm not going to be talking through it. I'm just going to be doing my makeup, and you can listen to some music while you watch me do my makeup. So if you want to see how I created this look using the Juvia's Place Mauve palette, keep on watching.
It's so funny on how the day I want to do a makeup and chill, it is so quiet outside. But on other days when I'm talking, people want to come out, honk horns, have arguments in the streets. Okay, everybody want to get injured, have the ambulance come. All the buildings are catching on fire, everything.
So dolls, what do you think about this look, right? In my Jay-Z voice, I'm marvelous. If you like this look, give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And make sure you check out this next video. Thank you guys for watching. And remember, you're made for more. Bye.